What's the
Hey, you wanna bet? Oh, you're messing with the wrong guy. Oh, yeah! Ow! I died.
So let's see. That's looks like a dangerous monster. That's a big Halloween costume.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Oh. Okay, come on, let's go. Oh wow, you have a great costume. What the heck? What the heck? Run! Run!
That costume was scary. That costume was scary.
That is a great costume, though. This is a big house.
Very big. What is that? She's disappearing and rejoining.
And it's just.
Hey, who are you?
My friend.
Dear games.
You're alive!
Man, it was scary.
So it was just a Halloween costume?
help me? Guys, the code is 690.
From the beer to the keys to the car to the tree.
Where's my license? There's no need. Always drama when I speak.
Okay, I thought that was a banana.
What's up, buddy? What's up? What's up, buddy? What's up? What's up, brother? What's up, brother? Oh no.
Did someone just fall?
Shoot. I hit something. Oh
guys,
shoot.
guys,
No, no, no. No, no.
I found a gold gorilla.
No. No.
Don't go in. Don't go in. What? Don't go in.
Where's everybody?
Beetlejuice.
got
Where is Beetlejuice?
Don't go in that room.
Oh,
Uh-oh. Now I can put the chicken in there. I hear something in here. She's not
dude, where's my backpack?
here.
This one?
I think.
Was it on the ground here? On the ground.
Yes, I got mine from here.
Well, well, I guess
Mine sucked my yacht!
I'm taking this.
This is mine.
Dude, come here, come here.
Bro, stop! I want to do something!
Dude, come here. Here's your backpack.
No, this is how you get free loot!
You
This is how you get free loot!
Here, take your backpack.
I have a rocket and I have dynamite!
Take your backpack. Take your backpack. Open it.
Long stick do? It looks like Cheetos. Open it!
Dude, your backpack. That was epic.
You little, burrito, you This is how to get a bag of burrito.
You want your stuff back? Come and get it. My game is lagging.
Hey, bro, have this Cheeto.
Oh, Cheeto? Let me try that one more time. You get free money. Let's do it. Come on.
Hey, bro. Bro? You lose your stuff? Hello? Hello?
You will die. Dude, you're lagging. You're lagging.
Like nuts! Because you are nuts! Ooh, I like that.
Dude, where are you at? Where are you? What do you have? Go back. Go back to the jellyfish. He's nice. Take your backpack. Shoot. Get like bags of dynamite and then throw it on them. They have to be You failed! But keep my stuff safe here. You better.
Hut!
Okay.
Hut! Let's go! Hut!
No. I got an idea. Keep it safe. Just hold it.
Hut! Let's go! 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 How was it when you had my brother?
It was terrible.
Do you want to be friends?
Yeah, I want to be friends.
Let's be friends.
Okay.
Happy, happy, happy. Sayonara, suckers!
Oh, snap! I messed up! Wait, you already did it?
Yep.
Sucker! Ah! What's up, brother? me my backpack back. What are you doing? Put your hands up.
There's a shotgun.
Clapper to clapper cheeks. Hey yo.
Hey!
Oh,
Let me take this.
I'm glad this is no PvP. Is this PvP? Ah!
Thank you.
Take your backpack. Let me put this in my backpack.
Bro!
Ow! Hey, do you need help going to your backpack?
No! Stop it!
You got a lot of stuff in your backpack.
You lost your memory!
Dude, it's still there.
I hate you.
They see me rolling. They think